Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you something about what we are going to cover in this course, so how you can benefit by taking this course. First we will go and learn something about Photoshop. We will learn some basic and we will cover some tools that we are going to need in this course. After we learn how to use Photoshop, or if you already know how to use it, you can feel free to skip this section. After that, we will go and cover basics and principles about t-shirt business. You will see later about that. How to create design that sells. So this is really important because we don't want to waste our time and effort doing designs that probably not going to bring us some money. After that, we will learn how to do research and how to find what people like to wear and why. After that, we will go and apply all that knowledge and create some awesome designs. And finally, places where we want to sell those designs. So let's go talk about this a little bit deeper. So in the first section, I will teach you how to get comfortable with Photoshop interface, how to create the most efficient workspace for you, and how to find it, how to save it, and stuff like that. Learn how to prepare a document for printing, because there is different when you work with things like web and when you want something to print. You will see and understand those things. As I mentioned, if you already know those things, you can feel free to skip this section. After that, we will go and cover the most important tools for this course. I don't waste your time by showing you how some tools work, because we probably don't gonna need all of those tools. I will cover only the tools that we are going to use in this course. So after we learn all of those things, I will show you how to combine that. Tools like combine text with images, brushes, in order to create amazing designs that will bring us money, because that's the most important thing. In the next section, we will discuss about how much is possible to earn doing this business, this t-shirt business. How can you be part of that business? I will go into the details about those kind of stuff, because this is really important. If you skip something like this, you will just go and waste your time out there, and you will probably not gonna make some money. Take a look at some of the most selling t-shirts ever. You will see what those t-shirts have and why those t-shirts are best selling ever. And we will discuss about branding. This is really important, so make sure to check out those lessons. In the next section, you will learn how to analyze best-selling t-shirts, how to do a research. This is really important, and when you do research and analyze best-selling t-shirts, you will probably gonna be more specific about what t-shirt you are going to create and stuff like that. You will find what people like to wear and why. This is really important. And after that, I will show you where to find inspiration for your work and how to combine. After that, it's time to create some awesome designs, and we will go create 5 or even 10 designs, and we will combine those skills. For example, in one design we are going to use combination of different fonts, and in other we will combine some images with the brushes and stuff like that. So make sure to check out those lessons. And finally, the last section, I will show you places where you can sell your t-shirts, and I will show you names of sites, and I will go discuss about each one of them, and I will go and give you my recommendations, what I like to do and why, and stuff like that. And I will also show you places where you can exchange your skills for money. So you do design job and someone will pay you by doing that. So this is good if you are just a beginner in this job. You can go and do a work for someone else, learn some stuff about how things work. Lasting conclusion. So first we are going to learn how to use Photoshop. After that we will go and cover some basics. After that we will go learn how to create designs that sells, do research, time to make shirts, and finally sell them. And that's it for me in this video, so see ya in the next one.